What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video, and we are going to show you how to purchase Near Protocol tokens on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will go to coinbase.com and log into our account. After you have logged in, then you will arrive at this page, and in the right top you can see three options. You can deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. We would like to buy tokens, so we will select the second option. After that, this overview will be opened. Now, as you can see, here you can select the asset you would like to buy, click on it, and we will tick in near. And there it will appear. Click on the asset, now it's selected, and you can fill in the amount you would like to purchase. Let's say €6, and we would like to make a one-time purchase. If you click on this option, you can select the purchase frequency. You can buy on a daily basis, weekly, twice a month, or a monthly basis. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase. And after that, you can select the wallet you would like to use to pay with. For me, it's my Euro wallet because I live in Europe. But if you are using other currencies or living in another country or region, then select the wallet you would like to use. After you have done that, click on Preview Buy, and it will show some information about the purchase you are going to make. As you can see, I will buying 0.8 coins of the Near Protocol token, and the total, I will use my Euro wallet. The price of each coin is €6.14. The amount I'm purchasing is €5.01. It will be a 99 cents fee which I'm paying to Coinbase, so the total amount I'm spending on this buy is €6. After that, you can select also the option to invest on a weekly basis. For now, I will leave it on no because we want to make a one-time purchase. But if you would like to select it, and after that you can buy now. If you click this button, the coins will be bought directly, so be aware of that. And good luck with buying coins. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we would like to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.